These hair pieces are something. So a couple videos ago, I decided I was gonna make an outfit, which included these. And I loved them so much that I really wanted to make just a whole video of those. And I bought everything, and it's pretty much just been a waiting game to get everything here. And now everything's here, so I just really want to make an unacceptable amount of bear earrings. So follow me to that dream, I guess. So in the outfit video, when I made the bear earring, the pom-pom size I used was the 2-inch, which I still kind of feel like is a bit large for an earring, at least for me. But I didn't really have much choice there because at the time, the smallest eyeballs I had were 8mm, which I thought was the smallest size that you could find. As it turns out, no. These are, I believe, 5mm? I highly doubt that they make smaller ones than these, but if they do, let me know. At this point, I'm just collecting them like infinity stones. I don't know why. So because I found the smaller eyeballs, I decided to go ahead and buy some 1.5-inch pom-poms. Was this merely an excuse to buy more pom-poms? I want to say no.
You know, like a liar.
What are you gonna do? So for the first one, I'm still going to use one of the 2-inch pom-poms, but I am going to try out the 5mm eyes and see how those look. I think that looks a little bit better than the 8mm. Instead of using Mod Podge this time though, I am going to hot glue everything in just because I feel like that's going to be a lot more sturdy. And I was pretty much trying to decide up to this point whether this was going to be a bear or a tiger. So I just slapped some eyebrows on him to see how I felt, and I decided it was a tiger. Now I'm just going to cut him out some little ears and stick those on. And then I wasn't really sure what to do about the stripes, so I just cut some really tiny strips of felt and I'm going to glue those on and hope that it doesn't look too bulky and gross, because it might. I feel like that looks okay. With a project like this, it's kind of hard to tell where the line between tacky and fun is. It's a very thin line, I feel like. Now, I did do some preparation for this project because I was excited about it. So I actually bought some of the correct materials to do this, which is surprising, I know. So I bought some of this chain and some earring bits that I could attach it to. And basically, I'm just going to replicate the earrings that I used last time. Now, before I'm able to attach this, I need to give him just a teeny tiny little... Just stab it into his little head. It's not gross or anything. Try not to think about it too much. And because I couldn't help myself, I had to make backing cards for these. It's because they're bear rings. Yep. I also bought this little contraption, which is going to poke the earring post holes for me. But we're just gonna test this and see how that looks. Actually worked out really well. Now we're just gonna stick him on there and then try to figure out what the other earring is gonna look like. I thought about using yellow, but then that kind of matches a little bit too much, I think. Maybe this cheese colored one is better. So there's the first pair. So for the next several hours, I just sat here making fuzzball bears. Just trying out ideas and seeing what works, what doesn't work. I tried to do at least one of each of all of the pom-pom colors. I think I kind of prefer the puffball ears to the felt ears just because they look rounder, I guess. I don't know. I made a couple of them with the puffball nose. I tried to make some smaller bears. I tried mixing and matching some colors to see how that looked. At one point, I made a panda and a clown. And then I decided it was time to go to the craft store and see if they had anything I could use. I found these little glasses in the scrapbooking section, and I thought it'd be really cool to glue them to a bear. He looks so smart. And then they had these little guys in the button section. He's very summery. I kind of want to make another bear with glasses. Just gonna glue those right on his little face, I think. More pom-pom ears. I really like this one so far. I feel like he needs something else though. Bow tie. Oh, since he has no neck, I guess I'll just glue it to his head. And then some eyebrows. Oh, I like him a lot. Okay. I feel like it's time to make a bee. He's gonna be very round. Give him a little belt out of some fleece. Maybe some wire antenna. And some felt wings. Yeah, okay. I think that's believable.
Why are you the way that you are?
And then I made a bunch of different mismatched earrings from all the other supplies that I bought. I like these little star beads. Those are really cool. To go with the bee, I thought maybe I could spell out a bee pun for the mismatched earring, but this was way too clunky. I think this is a bit more manageable. And then I decided I wanted to make a couple matching pairs. So this one is kind of similar to the other bears, except it's got an extra little eyeball. So we got some little alien bears. And then this pair, I had no idea whether it was gonna work or not, but I knew I wanted to try it. So, regular bear, except I need 4 of them because I'm gonna use this wire to turn them into cherry bears. Also, I need these leaves again. They look so cursed, but I kind of love them. And it makes me want to make more fruit bears, so I think sometime in the near future I will do that, but for now, these are the only ones. I feel like over the last year or so, I've realized how important it is to find the things that make you happy, and this sort of thing is exactly what I need to be doing. So thank you guys for being here for that and supporting it, and I will continue to do stuff like this and whatever else I can come up with. So all of these are already live on the Etsy shop, and if you miss out, don't worry, I will continue to make these because they are just entirely too much fun to make. Before I add more, I will post on my Twitter, so if you miss them and you want some, check there because I will post when they go up. I have no idea what the next video is going to be because once again, I had this stupid idea and I ordered everything and I'm just waiting. But that's the end of this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you next time.